how to log in to Xfinity. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Xfinity. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Xfinity is an American telecommunications business segment and division of Comcast Corporation. It is used to market consumer cable television, internet, telephone, and wireless services provided by the company. So to log in, firstly go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Xfinity Login. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see various links. Tap on the very first link, that is login.xfinity.com. You will now be led to the login portal of Xfinity. So go ahead and firstly enter your email, mobile number, or username and tap on the Let's Go button. You will then be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on the Continue button, and with this you will be successfully logged in to Xfinity. Also, just in case if you are new to Xfinity, tap on the New to Xfinity option, and if you cannot find your user ID, tap on the Find Your Xfinity ID option, and if you do not have an Xfinity account yet, then tap on the Create a New Xfinity ID option. So, this is how you can log in to Xfinity. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.